Ala Rasoolil Kareem. A very warm welcome to the Foreign Ministry briefing. At the invitation of the Prime Minister, Anwar Ibrahim, Prime Minister Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif embarked on an official visit to Malaysia from 5th to 7th October 2025. The Deputy Prime Minister, Foreign Minister, Senator Mohammad Ishaq Dar, other federal ministers and senior government officials accompanied the Prime Minister as part of his entourage during the visit. Upon his arrival in Kuala Lumpur on 5th October 2025, the Prime Minister received a warm welcome from the Prime Minister of Malaysia, His Excellency Anwar Ibrahim, followed by a ceremony at Perdana Putra. The two leaders held bilateral talks on 6 October 2025 on a wide range of issues with a particular focus on trade and investment, climate, defense, education, and tourism to further strengthen Pakistan-Malaysia historic ties. The Prime Minister welcomed Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim's announcement of the import of halal meat worth $200 million as a significant milestone in Pakistan-Malaysia engagement in the halal sector. Both leaders launched the Urdu translation of Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim's book, Script for a Better Malaysia, a vision built on the Prime Minister's experience in public service of more than 4 decades, with the tenets of sustainability, care and compassion, respect, innovation, prosperity and trust. They also exchanged views on key regional and global developments, including the situation in the Middle East and South Asia, and presented a joint statement upon conclusion of the visit, which emphasized the importance of maintaining regular high-level exchanges. Both leaders also expressed their agreement to reconvene for a joint commission meeting at the level of foreign ministers at a mutually convenient time. The leaders also expressed satisfaction with the pace of ongoing defense collaboration under the framework of Joint Committee on Defense Cooperation platform established in 1997. Both sides agreed to further deepen bilateral defense cooperation, particularly in the field of defense, science, technology and industry through knowledge and technology transfer. Condemning the ongoing genocide in Gaza, both leaders reiterated their unwavering support for the Palestinian people's right to self-determination and for the establishment of a sovereign, viable, contiguous and independent Palestinian state based on pre-June 1967 borders with Al-Quds al-Sharif as its capital. The leaders further noted active cooperation on key issues in multilateral fora, particularly the UN and Consular Affairs. They explored avenues to enhance trade, particularly through increased collaboration in textiles, logistics, agriculture and food and pharmaceuticals. They underscored the significance of regional transport corridors and reaffirmed their commitment to the early operationalization of CASA 1000 and at strengthening regional integration and energy security. Defense and security